kanilang grupo. At tulad din ng ibang kabataan, kwentuhan ang kanilang libangan.
Narito na ang ating repeater mula sa Santa Maria, Bulacan. Team Pandemic, it's showtime!
Isang mapagpalang umaga sa inyong lahat. Kami nga po pala ang Team Pandemic na nagmula sa bayan ng Santa Maria, lalawigan ng Bulacan. Di ba kami naturingan malakas sa klampingan at tamblingan, masasabi nyo pa din, ang Team Pandemic ay magaling. Kaya eto na, di ko na pagtatagaling pa. This is your show, and this is our time. It's showtime!
Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained?
Team Pandemic, listen, listen.
This the record that my back hanging on the ground. Fans get the skipping. Better than Southern Tech fans get the tipping. Chasing fat stacks, running damn brands. It's a mission, I don't backtrack. Ain't single second from me different.
Saan si Kuya Mao?
Hey yo, DJ, stop the music!
One, two, three, not only you and me. Got 180 degrees and I'm caught in between.
I'm begging.
Yan po ang ating repeater, Team Pandemic. Okay, Horados. Yes.
Thank you, Dr. Smanyo, kay Kalaya rin yung Placenta Soap. Tapos bukas po ay anniversary ng Punchline. Tapos showing na po today ang Noy featuring Coco Martin. Ayan, kasama kami ni Jong. Dahil nabusog kami sa mala pastillas yung suot, eh yes kami.
Yes!
Yes!